children. I hope everybody went through the video last week. First lesson, the solar system and the planet Earth. And I hope that everybody has written the first 4 question and answers of the same lesson. This week, we are not going to the new lesson because we have to still complete the notes and activity. So, as you can see, the to-do list over here. Today, you are going to read the lesson 2 times. Complete the remaining notes in the classwork book. So today I will be sending you difficult words and question and answer 5, 6 and 7. Along with that, you have 3 activities which you have to do on the plain side paper in the same classwork book. So before we can move on to the other things, let us go through the notes once. The solar system and the planet Earth. Answer the following. What is an orbit? An imaginary path on which the planets and their satellites revolve around the sun is called an orbit. Name the 8 planets of the solar system. The 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Question 3. How does the Earth move? There are 2 movements of the Earth. They are rotation and revolution. What is the name of the Earth's satellite? Write a few lines about it. The moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. It is smaller than the Earth. It does not have light of its own. There is no air, water or life on the moon. Name the first astronaut to walk on the moon. Neil Armstrong, an American astronaut, was the first man to walk on the moon. Name the 5 oceans of the Earth. The 5 oceans of the Earth are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Name the 7 continents of the Earth. The 7 continents of the Earth are Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. The difficult words consist of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic, Antarctic, Indian, rotation, revolution, continents, peninsula, satellite, astronaut, craters. The first activity is to draw and label the solar system. The second activity is to draw a neat labeled diagram of the rotation of the Earth by referring to page 5 on the textbook. This is the same picture taken from the textbook. And the third activity is you will have to buy a physical map of the outline or the outline map of the world and mark the 5 oceans and the 7 continents on the world map and stick it up in the classwork book. So children, I hope all of you have understood that there are 7 question answers, difficult words and some activities to be done in the classwork, and you all have already done the exercises in the textbook last week. So the portion and the revision is to write all the difficult words and question and answers from the classwork book without seeing. So in order to write without seeing, you all can practice as many times you wish in your rough notebooks and learn the objective types, that is bit A, B and C from the exercises in the textbook, which is on page number 7 without seeing. So if you are well versed with all these things, you can be ready for a slip test. So next Thursday, that is on 23rd, we will be conducting a slip test in your own class WhatsApp group. That's it for today, children. Have a nice day. God bless you all.